Hey YouTube, I had previously made a video about this Fizik saddlebag that clipped onto the back of your seat, which I thought was great for suspension seat posts so that there wasn't a little strap around the part that slides up and down, and just the ability to move it from bike to bike really easily had a lot of appeal to me. But this little clip here that normally would attach to the seat broke off during one of my rides. I've owned this for about 1 year and 1 month. So when I was looking into the warranty for this on the web, I found several instances of people losing their bag, having it break off, and they lost their cell phone, their wallet, their keys, lots of stuff. And people hate this bag. Definitely have to take back my recommendation. Do not buy this bag. Even road bikers are having it break off. That is not good. Wouldn't recommend this at all.